how do we start? We start with...
Hi, I'm Cornell. I work here for Rindt Vehicle Design. I'm a panel beater. I'm doing restoration, designing, and some cool stuff like this one. This is a short wheelbase. We chop the roof, we lower the roof. We done lots of reinforcing in the steel panels. Basically, the structure is double. Now it has very rigid and strong structure. Also, we modified the floor panel. Here in the back, try to get rid of rear seats. We extend the quarter panels, the wings, one of the widest body. We modified a bit the rear boot lid, made a scoop. So also we have the rear bumpers. We tried to keep like a classic shape, so we modified. We made it wider and to match with the profile of quarter panels. As well, the front bumper is a bit different as well, but that one is not going to be metal. So yeah, as I said, it's going to be a nice project with a complete different shape from 911, and I'm very happy with. I'm sure whoever is going to drive it is going to be amazed.